morning from Trot HQ. First one of the day. New client with his Triumph Speedmaster Bonneville. Quite a tidy one, but not perfect. He got an MOT done around the back the other day, and I was just pointing out you want to make sure to keep these spokes properly protected. They're just starting to go at the front. Chrome spokes on an English bike does not work very well over here, so we're going to get this all clean. We will polish each one of those spokes. Same with this side cover here. We'll put a bit of polish on there. It's got somebody strapped something down at some point, so this is a bit scratched, so I'm going to try to do some polishing on that, get it looking like it should. We're going to then mist it with the XCP corrosion protection, which will neutralize any corrosion and prevent any further. So all these spokes, once they've had a good old scrub, we'll get those properly protected. Let's get some snow foam on it, get it started, get it washed, and then we'll get it in the studio. We'll blow dry and crack on with some detailing. I've got my audience this morning. They don't seem too interested, but nevertheless, let's get cracking. Okay, she's all washed, degreased and decontaminated. I'm just doing some blow drying, making sure to remove the moisture from any switch gear, etc. These covers, typical Triumph covers, they have no lacquer on them, so they're all starting to go a bit ski whiff. We're just doing a bit of polishing on those now. I have to lightly sand them first just to get all the little spots off, and then we'll polish them afterwards. The polish we use is the new Auto Smart Metaliax. It leaves a protective coating as well, so all these bits that I polish, all the chrome and all the side covers, will all get a hydrophobic coating on them, so it keeps them looking that way for quite some time. So we're just, like I said, continuing blow drying. I'm going to polish these up, sand them a little bit more, and then we'll crack on with some paint correcting. There you go, Triumph Speedmaster has now been fully trotted. This had one of our full Monty Valets with a little extra polishing on all the engine cases. I did some machine polishing on all the bodywork. Had a couple of little marks on these side covers, which I've polished off. Every single bit of chrome on this has been meticulously cleaned, polished. Like I said, the polish we use does leave a protective coating on all the chrome and all the alley bits, so this should be fully protected for the years ahead. Polished up that top yoke there, side covers polished, exhaust, even mirror polished up the end of the footrest, and these levers. Get yours booked in now. Legendary full Monty Valet, usually 2 to 3 hours it takes. Get a nice little bit of protection on your bike. Like I said, we put XCP on these spokes as well, so they're properly protected. Give us a buzz, get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week, satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.